How to organize tasks in Asana. So in order to organize your tasks, you need to have a project. If you don't have a project yet, you can head over and click on this plus icon right here in order to create a new project or portfolio. Alternatively, you can also see in here a new project. So this project will be created automatically when you sign up for an Asana account. Now, in order to organize your tasks, you need to have this to do, doing, as well as done right here. If you have another section that you want, you can click on this add section and you can name it as to your liking. So, for example, I'll just put in here archive. And then in here, if you want to organize your tasks, if you have something like, for example, this task, and if you're done with this task, you can head over and click on this mark complete. You can also change the due date and you can also add some assignees. You can change up where this project will allow, as well as the tag for this. Like, for example, you can make this low tag, as well as the status will be at risk. You can change your dependencies as well. You can add this, and you can add a task that will block this. In that way, the task will not be done once the other task has not yet been done. So, for example, let's add this right here onto our social media. So we have this schedule kickoff meeting. So if this is not done yet, then this will not start. So that is the actual complacency of the dependency. So if you're done with something, just head over and click on this check, and then you can head over and then move it onto the done section. Or if you want to archive something, you can also move them right here onto archive section. It totally depends on you. If you want to see a board list, you can also click on this board. You can also see right here the timeline as well as a dashboard if you want, as well as a calendar that can show you the list of what you want to do or the things that you need to do on specific dates. So that's how you organize tasks in Asana. Thank you for watching and I hope this video helped you out.